Do you need to make a chart showing all the things that can put your life in danger by the level of threat they pose? No? Too bad, this tutorial will show you exactly that. How to make a bar chart in Excel. There is a running joke that a spoiler of Game of Thrones can bring you dead faster than jumping in a river full of piranhas. Today we are going to show the threat level of the two actions in a bar chart. First, we select the data range. Then we go to Insert tab and under Charts, Group, we select the column option, Clustered Column. Let's name the chart as Things that can put your life in danger. Things that can put your life in danger. To make the chart look even more presentable, we should name the X and Y axis by clicking on Chart Design and selecting the Add Chart element. And from the drop-down option, select Add Axis Titles, Primary Vertical. Repeat the process for Primary Horizontal. And let's name the Y-axis as Threat to Life and X-axis as Actions that will put your life in danger. If you want to display the data labels, you need to go to Chart Design and again click Add Chart Element. From the drop-down menu, select Data Labels, Center. Now we just need to recolor the labels so that they will be more visible. Click on the label, go to Home tab, and from the font group, select the font color as white. That's it for today. Hopefully you will find this tutorial useful. If you did, please subscribe for more Excel tutorials.